Welcome back, everybody. Welcome to 2026. I hope you had a great New Year's and awesome holidays. I know I'm a little bit late, but a little late's better than never. I hope you had a chance to crush those goals last year. If not, it's a new year. You still got time to knock them out of the park. If you did complete your goals, however, it's time to set new ones and get to work. So today's video, I'm supposed to be getting a surprise package. Not sure what it is. I kind of have an idea, but again, I'm not 100% certain. I did just get a text message that it was here, so let's go check out and see what it is. No way. What? No way. No way. Gluten-free Cheez-Its. They're finally out. Alright, so time to do a taste test on these bad boys. First reaction, just looking at the box, 9 ounce over 7 ounce. Is bigger going to be better? That is definitely the question. Unfortunately, I cannot eat the original Cheez-Its, only the gluten-free. So let's see if it brings back any nostalgia and give her a taste. First reaction, from what I can remember, the scent is there. For sure. Let's give this a close up there. Looks legit. Looks legit. Here we go. Alright, so final review on these after snacking for the last 5 minutes. Smell, definitely there. Crisp, definitely there. However, I want to give these a 10 out of 10, but simply because I cannot eat the original, I don't feel like that would be fair. But it did bring back a lot of nostalgia. So for that, I'm going to have to give it a 9.6 out of 10. Yep. 9.6. For sure. Well done, Cheez-It. You did it. Took you a little bit way too long, but it's okay. I'll forgive you. Just send me a box. That's all I ask. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.